Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and we are working today around the door, and this door is inside the gigantic dollhouse that I bought at the community yard sale recently. You've seen a video already on what I used to enhance the door. At the end of this video, I will go around the house and show you the front of the house, and you will be able to see what the door looks like from the front. So in this video, we are going to leave the other walls alone and only focus on the front there. So I've already selected my paper. This is going to be the paper on the sides of the door. So let's see if this works out. Okay, right there. So far, so good. There you go. Okay, so it sticks nicely. I did place double-sided tape behind it. So that is what that side looks like. So let's try the other side. Now, I have my paper right here. I want to do this perfect, so might take me a little long, but it will work out. There it goes. Perfect. So there you go. And I have not finished that wall. Now I have to cover that part there. So I have another strip. This is the strip that's going to go up there. Okay, so let's see. If you can't see it, let's see. Okay, there. If I place the camera there, you can see it, but I'll show you right after. I know you can't see it because it's not high enough for the camera. So let's place this piece up here, right above the door. Since it has double-sided tape already, okay, there it goes. Okay, since it has the double-sided tape already, it didn't wanna, but it looks perfect. Look at that. There was no door there. This house came with no door. But besides this, I do have another idea for that wall. I have some sides here that look just like the middle part. So it looks like you're looking out the window and you can see the view, and I'm aligning this up here. You'll see what it looks like once I place it there. There you go. And now I need the other side. I have another piece just like it. There you go. So it looks like you're looking out from the door. You see out there, and then I have two other pieces. Let's see how this looks. If it doesn't look right, I'll just take these off, the parts that have the view. So this is just trying this out. see what it looks like. Okay, let's see what that looks like. How does that look? Does it look like too much? Or should I leave the wall the way it was, like just the colorful decorative paper? So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Okay, I will take them into consideration. And if you think that it's too much, I'll just remove the parts where it's like an outdoor view. Okay, but that is the idea for the front here. There will be videos on the rest. I'm planning to make a little balcony up there, and the rest you will see in a separate video. Okay, thanks for watching.